Hello teacher, hello partners. My name is Julio Salinas and talk about the color in the nature. Really our life is full color. Try to imagine around of without color. The life can be boring or dark. The colors influence people, for example in our mood. Often we relate the color we use to clothes to our feeling. For example, when we are happy, we can use the red, yellow. If you are sad, you use a color dark, black, red, and others. Both colors not only affect us, but also in nature. Our environment is full of color and is influenced by this. In animals, for example, such a color helps them to know what they play, also helps them to know camouflage brain. It is very interesting to know that animals cannot see all the colors and often have difficulty in differentiating other animals. There are some anomalies, can say or strange things about the colors in animals, such as wearing coloration, albinism, temperature polyformism, and others. A good example of wonder of the colors in animals are the butterfly. The butterflies are really have a variety of color. The color in the butterfly is dependently the pulp in his in the butterfly, the pigment of the color. I think everybody likes to see the rainbow for its natural beautiful, where we can see a variety of color. The rainbow is a phenomenon because it's the combination of the pigment of color with the water when rain. And I think that colors are very important in our life because all in our life had a color. All we use, we make had a color. All in the nature are color we can see every day. Great and beautiful monument picture around of in summer, the combination of color in the sky in every place. uh, I like thank you, Alice. Thank you.